Imagine this. Tiny blood-sucking parasites digging into your toes, multiplying by the hundreds, turning your feet into a living nightmare. That's exactly what jiggers do, and today I'm exposing the horrifying truth behind these flesh-eating fleas. Stay with me because what you're about to hear will shock you. So, what are jiggers? They're not just annoying bugs. Jiggers, or tunga penetrans, are sand fleas that burrow under your skin, usually in your feet. They start tiny, but once inside, they grow to the size of a pea. The worst part? They lay eggs right inside your flesh, causing insane pain, infections, even gangrene. If you ignore them, you could lose a toe, or worse. Look at this, those white sacs. Eggs, and they're hatching inside the skin. It's enough to make your toes curl, right? So how do they spread? Jiggers thrive in places with poor sanitation, walking barefoot on soil or mud. That's an open invitation. Kids are especially at risk. And get this, if you scratch, you can move jiggers to your hands, knees, even sensitive areas. Think you're safe? Think again. Let me share a few horror stories. In Uganda, a 10-year-old boy's feet were packed so full of jiggers, he couldn't even walk. In Kenya, an elderly man lost 3 toes because no one treated him in time. And it's not just a poor country problem. Travelers can bring jiggers home too. This isn't just a story. It could be your reality if you're not careful. So, let's talk treatment. The only way out: sterile removal, antiseptics, and sometimes antibiotics. But prevention is everything. Wear shoes, avoid dirty soil, and check your feet every day. Here's the good news. NGOs are stepping up with shoe donations and education. Want to help? Drop a "Stop Jiggers" in the comments to spread the word and save lives. If this made your toes curl, hit like, share the info, and subscribe for more shocking deep dives into the world of medicine. This is Medicera, exposing the horrors of health, one parasite at a time. Stay safe, and for the love of your feet, wear shoes.